Hello learners. Today we will do revision of English chapter 1 and chapter 2. Children, your first team exam will start in next week. Okay? So, let's start revision. You have to learn these lessons today. Okay? You have already learned this lesson in periodic test. Let's start. First one, answer in one word. Caterpillars love to eat. Caterpillars love to eat leaves. 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 Next one, a sour fruit. Answer lemon. Lemon. Third one, a red juicy fruit. Answer apple. Apple. Next one, a hard fruit with water inside. Answer coconut. Coconut. Fifth one, a colorful insect. Answer butterfly. Butterfly. Last one, the opposite of sad. The opposite of sad is happy. Happy. Answer happy. Next heading, who said the following? Who said the following? First question, such pretty yellow lemons. Who said? Phyllis said. Such pretty yellow lemons. Who said? Phyllis said. Second one, I am a red butterfly. I am a red butterfly. Who said? Tilly said. Third one, I will get some color for my wings. Who said? Millie said. I will get some color for my wings. Millie said. Next heading, answer in one sentence. First question, which tree did Phyllis see? Which tree did Phyllis see? Phyllis saw a lemon tree. Phyllis saw a lemon tree. Next one, which tree did Tilly sleep on? Which tree did Tilly sleep on? Tilly slept on an apple tree. Tilly slept on an apple tree. Slept. Slept. Next one. Which tree did Millie climb? Answer. Millie climbed up a coconut tree. Climbed. Climb. Climbed. Millie climbed up a coconut tree. Okay. Next heading, write antonyms. Antonyms means opposite. First one, beautiful, ugly. Ugly. Beautiful, ugly. Second one, bright. Opposite, dull. 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 Third one, open. Open, close. Close. Next one, up. Opposite is down. Down. Next one, live. Opposite, die. Die. Beautiful, ugly, bright, dull, open, close, up, down, live, die. Okay. Next one, match the animals with their homes. Cow. The home of cow is called shed. 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 Lion, den. Home of lion is called den. 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 Third one, bee. Bee's home is called hive. 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 Next one, duck. Duck's home is called pond. Pond. Next one, horse. The home of horse is called stable. stable, stable. Last one, dog. Dog's home is called kennel. kennel, kennel. Next heading, answer the following. Who were Philly, Tilly and Millie? Philly, Tilly and Millie were caterpillars. caterpillars, caterpillars. Where did Philly, Tilly and Millie live? Philly, Tilly and Millie lived in fairyland. fairyland, fairyland. Next one, what did the caterpillars like to eat? The caterpillars like to eat leaves. leaves, leaves. Next one, from where did Lily get colorful wings? Millie got colorful wings from the rainbow. Millie got colorful wings from the rainbow. Okay. Next chapter. Chapter 2, For My Babies. First one, synonyms. Tear, to piece. Tear, to piece. Second one, strange. Strange means not seen before. Next one, soft, easy to mold. mold, mold. Next one, smart, neat and stylish. Tear, to piece, strange, not seen before, soft, easy to mold, smart, neat and stylish. Next heading, fill in the blanks. First one, Sarah had a dash ribbon. Answer, red. Second one, that Sarah could not find her ribbon. Answer, one day. One day Sarah could not find her ribbon. Next one, the ribbon was not on the table, so Sarah was surprised. surprised, surprised. Sarah's mother asked her to look for the ribbon. Sarah's mother. mother, mother. Next one, a small bird had taken the ribbon. Bird, bird, bird. A small bird had taken the ribbon. Okay. Next heading, match the following. Sarah left her ribbon on the table. Sarah could not find her ribbon. Third one, the bird wanted the soft ribbon. Next one, a bird lays its eggs in a nest. Next one, a bird carried away the ribbon in its beak. Next one, baby birds come out of the eggs. Sarah left her ribbon on the table. Sarah could not find her ribbon. The bird wanted the soft ribbon. A bird lays its eggs in a nest. A bird carried away the ribbon in its beak. Baby birds come out of the eggs. Next heading, antonyms. Big, small, small. Short, long, long. Old, young or new, young, young, new. Right, wrong or left, wrong or left, left. Hard, soft, soft, soft. Big, small, short, long, old, young or new. Right, wrong or left, hard, soft. Okay. Next heading, answer the following. Where is Sarah going? Sarah is going out to play in the park. Sarah is going out to play in the park. Second one, where did Sarah leave her ribbon? Sarah left her ribbon on the table. Sarah left her ribbon on the table. Okay. Third one, why did the bird carry away the ribbon? The bird carried away the ribbon to make her nest soft. The bird carried away the ribbon to make her nest soft. Carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. Next one, why do birds make nest? Birds make nest to lay eggs and protect their babies. Birds make nest to lay eggs and protect their babies. P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protects. Babies, B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Where did Sarah see the ribbon? Sarah saw her ribbon in the nest. Sarah saw her ribbon in the nest. S-A-W, saw. Where is Sarah going? Sarah is going out to play in the park. Where did Sarah leave her ribbon? Sarah left her ribbon on the table. Why did the bird carry away the ribbon? The bird carried away the ribbon to make her nest soft. Why do birds make nest? Birds make nest to lay eggs and protect their babies. Where did Sarah see the ribbon? Sarah saw the ribbon in the nest. Okay, so you have to practice in your rough book these two lessons. Okay, thank you.